Enjoy the view of this 2023 Nissan Rogue. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.